Hi, I'm Amy, and I'm going to show you how to use your OTC Healthy Benefit card, and you can use it at Walmart. This card you can use for healthy food at your Walmart, and you get it through your UnitedHealthcare plan. It's an extra benefit that you can get. I have this benefit because I am disabled and I'm low income, and I get $110 a month that I can spend at Walmart. You can use this card to buy healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, fresh meat, and protein drinks, which I do. And you have 1 month to use it or it goes away. Okay, so I know that these are covered, so we're going to go ahead and scan them. You just scan them as usual. 1, 2, and then we're going to pay, and we're going to get no grocery bags, and we're going to no thanks, and then all we have to do is take our card and scan it. Boop, right like that, and then the receipt will come out the bottom, and that's how you use your card.